Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I just wanted to take a little bit of time today to let you all know about a rookie mistake that I've made recently, and that is not wearing gloves. Wearing gloves in the garden when you're messing about in soil, in potting mix, and in compost is so important, and I found that out the hard way. I never realized the amount of bacteria and fungi and different pathogens that can be lurking in the soil in your garden. And it's something that you need to be aware of as well. I recently had to attend the doctor because I started to get little lumps and bumps all over my arms, all over my body. And one of the scariest things was they started to appear underneath my armpits. And for those of you who know that area is quite sensitive, it was painful and alarm bells started to ring. I've been on antibiotics now for roughly a week and they've all subsided and gone down. But the cause of that was me not wearing gloves in the garden. This is a mistake I would encourage you all not to make. It's quite scary, it doesn't feel very nice, it's quite unpleasant as well, and it can be easily avoided by simply wearing gloves when handling soil and compost. So obviously this is a really short video, guys, and it's more of just a FYI. Do not do your gardening without the right protection. I hope you've enjoyed this short clip, and I'll catch you on the next one.